Alright, this is our new chloride test kit that we've assembled, and we're going to start passing out to some of our lead hands. And what we have is we have our pipettes here. This is our water sample pipette that we will use. It's a 1 ml pipette. Then we have 2 pipettes that we'll use, which is a 10 ml pipette. One will be for the distilled water, and the other will be for the silver nitrate. We have a couple units here. This right here is an automatic mixer for us. This little white thing or stir is magnetized, or is metal, has metal with plastic around it. This is magnetized. So put it in your cup, away from that. Set your glass container on that. Then we have a scale here, and this scale that we're going to use here is what we will use to weigh our water. We'll turn it on, let it cycle over to 0, then we'll set this 250 ml container on top of it, and then once it gives us our weight, we'll hit the tare button, and that zeroes it out. Then we take our water sample, which I've already put into this container here, and we fill it all the way up to the 250 ml. And you'll notice it's saying 275.7, so we'll call that 276. You take the 276, and then we're going to multiply that by 0.03336, and that will give us our water weight, which will be 9.20. So our water weight for this sample is 9.20. Then we're going to go ahead and I'm going to perform a chloride test. We take our small 1 millimeter or 1 ml test. We put it in our water. Pull the sample all the way to the top to the 0. And then we'll transfer it into our mixer. We'll take our distilled water next. We'll go ahead and pull up to the 0 also there. Transfer it to our mixer. Then we'll take our potassium chloride, and we'll put 17 drops in. Okay, 17 drops. Then we'll go ahead and turn our mixer on, and you see it'll start spinning. Try not to turn it too fast, because you can get it to splash out. Then it'll sit there and mix for us while we get our silver nitrate. We have a test tube on our silver nitrate, so we don't have to use our mouth. Sorry about that. Pull it up to the 0. And we'll start putting it in there slowly. We would like it to drop like that as it's mixing our sample, and we're looking for a brick red color. So we slowly put it in. Okay, this sample is starting to turn, so we've used one whole tube. That's 100,000. We'll bring it back to the 0 again. And we'll start dropping in slowly. We started to see it flash. See it starting to flash. So we know we're getting close. We're looking for that brick red color. Right there it is. So we'll stop there. We'll look at our sample. It is at, looks like 1, 1, so we got 111,000 on our chloride test. So that's how we would like for y'all to perform the chloride test and the water weight test with this new equipment.